Hello, I am Regina and I am so excited to share my progress with you. I am married with a supportive husband and I have 2 fur babies, Simba and Nala. My daughters are grown and married and have their own homes, and I have a granddaughter. I was raised with a father that collected all kinds of things. As a child, I didn't know why I needed so much stuff, but I think I inherited some of my cluttering from him. Once I was an adult, I started to keep things because I may need it one day, or I could sell it in a yard sale. I've learned over the years that yard sales are a lot of work and very little payoff. 7 years ago, after 24 years of marriage, I went through a divorce. I was not allowed very much time by my ex to take my belongings out of the house. I left behind pictures and other things because I really just didn't have the time to get them or the energy. I remained bitter about this for years. I was able to move in my new home and start over. The first time in my life I had ever lived alone. The first time I didn't have to allow space for someone else. I was able to set it up for me. Everything had a place and it was organized. Over the past 5 years, my 2 spare rooms had become junk rooms. Every closet in the house was cluttered, and you could not see the floors. I still had Christmas decoration bins in my living room. It was February. There was stuff piled everywhere, which was causing me to have a lot of stress and anxiety. It seemed overwhelming to even start cleaning it up. This is why I started this process. Early on, I had an aha moment of why I had cluttered up the home I once loved and was so organized. What happened? I realized I was holding on because I felt like I had everything taken from me in the divorce. I decided right then, I am not going to continue on like this. This stuff is making you miserable. This stuff is all cluttered. You're not bitter about the divorce anymore. You need to get your happy back. Shortly after I joined the academy, the virus started and my job sent me to work from home. This was an unexpected opportunity to be able to give this process 100%. What I have learned from this process is priceless. My advice for others going through this process is to search for aha moments. Try to determine how you got to the point to where you're at and how to fix it. This group is so supporting, and it is such a wonderful experience to go through with others. Continue to push through the clutter. Procrastination and clutter kind of go hand in hand. Take 20 minutes to try to do something. You can go as slow or as fast as you want to. This process has made my everyday life so easy. I can go into my closet and find an outfit for the day. I can unload my groceries into the pantry with plenty of room, and my refrigerator is decluttered. It makes cleaning a lot easier also. My little dog Simba was terrified to walk through the house because he's scared of everything and he didn't like the boxes sitting around or the Christmas decorations. He has changed also. I know that this is going to be a lifelong journey, and I will continue decluttering on a regular basis. But it will take me a lot less time now that I have the tools to know what I need to do.